Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a productive vlog. Yesterday was 4th of July. I'm a little tired because the fireworks were pretty loud late last night. But basically I've been kind of sluggish and taking it easy the last couple days, and today's my last day off work before I go back. So I need to be productive today, get my body moving, otherwise I'm going to be sluggish on Wednesday when I go back to work. So today my goal, I have a few things on my list. I'm gauging the outside. It's super foggy out. So I don't know how quick the grass is gonna dry because I was kind of hoping to mow a portion of the yard like at 9 a.m. so I could get it done before it got too hot out. We're gonna see about that. I also want to take down the majority of the 4th of July decor. Not all of it. There's a few things like the dining room table I want to leave set up and a few other pieces. I just want to kind of tone it down a little bit for the rest of the week. So that's on the list. I need to do a load of laundry. I need to clean the kitchen, like actually clean it, not just pick it up. Got a video to edit from yesterday. I think that's, oh, and take a shower. I think that's everything on my list. I'm sure there'll be things that pop up as we go along, but I just want to knock some stuff out. It's about 7:30 right now. I did get up around 6:15. I was really tired, so I just kind of had a slow morning, ate my breakfast, and I've been watching TV. But yeah, I'm gonna go outside and kind of gauge a little bit more how the weather is.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you show me the truth and your light. All I've got to do is walk right into thrive. And when I realize I was playing, living by my own rules, I need you to survive. More than anything, you're all I've ever needed. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. I'll keep running back. Oh, I'll keep running back to you. In your love, how could I ever escape from you? You have captured my heart and wrapped me in your arms and set me free by your word. I know that I couldn't ever run, even though the storms may come. Even through the fire and the rain, right here in you I trust. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. I'll keep running back. Oh, I'll keep running back to you.
I decided to take all the 4th of July decor down. I wasn't going to, but the more I thought about it, because this box is so full, that I figured it would be better if I just did it all at once, because you kind of have to play like Tetris to get everything in it. So rather than try and get everything in and then have to change it again, I figured it was better just to do it all at once. So I pretty much gathered everything here in the living room, and I just need to get it all into the container. And then I forgot I never actually put away the summer stuff. It was just sitting on top of this one. So I'm going to actually bring the rest of that out. There's only a few things, obviously, but that way I can just kind of sprinkle them back throughout the house. I'll reset the dining room table later. right, it's about 8, a little after 8. That didn't take long to do. I still can't really mow. I try to be courteous of my neighbors and wait until at least 9 a.m. But again, that's going to depend on the weather. So I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to put out my normal hand towels because I did decide to put away all the 4th of July stuff in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and meal prep so I can clean the kitchen because I don't have a ton to meal prep. I just got to make a little thing of chia seed pudding for breakfast on Thursday. And then prep up the vegetables for my veggie pizza that I'll be having for the next couple nights for dinner. So I want to cut up the broccoli and cut down the cauliflower a little bit. And maybe wash up the mushrooms. I'm always hesitant with mushrooms because I feel like you mess with them too much and then they end up disgusting quick. But we're gonna see what we can do with those things, get that taken care of. And then I can clean, which is just wiping down counters and the stovetop. Maybe run the vacuum through here. There seems to be a little bit of dirt and stuff.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, na na na, woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, na na na, woo, na na na. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Cause I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take.
The kitchen's clean, meal prepping is done. We're rolling through this. So really at this point, the only things left that I can do is to mow or work out. So my thing is, if I'm gonna mow the yard, I don't typically work out in the same day. It's just a lot. I mean, mowing the yard as it is, my Fitbit always says I've been outdoor cycling. So if that tells you anything, I definitely get some cardio in when I do that. But I really do want to get the mowing done so I don't have to worry about it later this week, because I think we're supposed to have rain again like tomorrow through like Friday or something. And if it's going to do that, then I know the grass is going to grow more. So I really do want to mow, but it's still only 8:45. It's still a little early. And it's still really cloudy and foggy out. I may give it till like 9:30 and then kind of gauge it. So I have the mowing done and I'm a sweaty, nasty mess. It's about 10:30. I'll insert on the screen what my Fitbit showed for just that mowing. It only took me about an hour to do the sections I was going to worry about today. The rest of it can wait till the next time I mow. But I think I'm going to go get a shower. And I'm debating, I might run to Target, Starbucks. I really want to get that pineapple refresher, and today it's 50% off cold drinks. So I thought now would be a good time to go give that a try. So after I get a shower, I think I might head up there and do that. And then the rest of what I need to do is very chill for the rest of the afternoon. Showered, the washer's probably about to shut off. I ran to Starbucks and got the pineapple refresher in the water. I didn't know there was like 3 different kinds. So it's pretty good. It's a nice taste without being over the top sweet. So I do like it. But now that we're back, I am going to grab some leftovers and have lunch because I'm hungry. So I have eaten, I feel better. Basically, I think I'm gonna watch YouTube for a little bit, and then I'm going to fill out at least one birthday card because I need to get that in the mail today if I can. And then I also am gonna work on editing yesterday's vlog because that's supposed to go up tomorrow, so I want to get that done. And then all I have left is to fold the load of laundry and read my book, which we're getting close to the end of it, so I do want to finish it before I go back to work tomorrow, but I don't want to start it because I'll get sucked in and I need to get that video done.
And to think that for you I would have put it all on hold. Now I'm playing in the sand till it turned to gold. Midas hands, but we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah.
Alright, done editing my video, so I'm actually exporting that right now and then I'll upload it. But I think I'm gonna take a break, take the dog outside, and then when I come back I'm gonna grab my coffee and then I can start reading my book now that we're done with all the important stuff. Alright, well while I was going outside, the dryer shut off. So we're gonna fold that. But my video is uploading now. I got some cold coffee. Let me go grab the laundry.
I'll take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older. Done my thinking.
Laundry's done, so that's pretty much everything that I had on my list to do today. I feel like that's one of the beautiful things about getting up early. Yes, no one else is awake, but I'm also a lot more productive. I knock stuff out really quick. So it's only like 1:30 and I've accomplished everything I wanted to do except for read. So this will be the last thing I'm gonna do is read this book. I think I got a little over 50 pages to read. So I'm gonna read this and just chill for the rest of the day. And like I said, if I get done with this early enough, I do wanna edit this vlog. But hopefully you enjoyed going along with me and helping me accomplish some stuff today. And as always, I hope everybody had a blessed day.
I guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back.